Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. That is, we are going to study the value of trigonometric ratios for the specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. All these values you should be by hearted. So the first trigonometric ratio is sin theta. Its values are like this. Sin 0 degree, it is 0. Sin 30 degree, it is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree, it is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree, it is 1. So from this table you can understand the value of sin theta is increasing as theta is increasing. Next, the values of cos theta. Cos 0 degree 1. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree 0. If you study the values of sin theta, it is very easy to write the values of cos theta because you see here the order of sin theta. It is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now you see the order of cos theta. It is the reverse order. That means it is starting from 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and then 0. So the reverse order of sin theta is cos theta's order. So the value of cos theta is decreasing as theta is increasing. Third table is tan theta. We know tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So if you just divide these two values, we can fill this table. So first 0 divided by 1, it is 0. Next 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Here you can see the denominator is same. We can cancel. Then what is remaining? 1 divided by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Same quantities are dividing. So we get the answer 1. Next root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Here also the denominators same. We can cancel. We get root 3 divided by 1. It is root 3. Next 1 divided by 0. We know the division by 0 is not defined. So we can fill that table. Not defined. But just I am writing that value here. 1 by 0 because we will use it here. Next ratio is cosec theta. We know cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So to find out the values of cosec theta, you just find out the reciprocal of sin theta. Now we can see sin 0 is 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? 0 is actually 0 divided by 1. So, its reciprocal is 1 by 0. What is this 1 by 0? It is not defined. Then, sin 30, it is 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? It is 2 by 1, that is 2. Next, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? It is root 2 by 1. That is equal to root 2. Next, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. What is its reciprocal? It is 2 by root 3. Next, sine 90 degree equal to 1. Its reciprocal also equal to 1. Next is sec theta. We know sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. We know cos 0 equal to 1. So, sec 0 also equal to 1. Then, cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So, sec 30 equal to 2 by root 3. Next, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Its reciprocal is root 2 by 1. That is equal to root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, its reciprocal is 2 by 1. That is 2. Next, cos 90 equal to 0. Its reciprocal is 1 by 0. That is not defined. The last trigonometric ratio is cot theta. We know cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So, let us find out the reciprocal of each values. We know tan 0 equal to 0. What is its reciprocal? It is 1 by 0. That is not defined. Next, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Its reciprocal is root 3 by 1. That is equal to root 3. Next, tan 45 equal to 1. Its reciprocal also equal to 1. Next, tan 60 equal to root 3. Its reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Next, tan 90 is not defined. That means it is 1 by 0. What is its reciprocal? It is 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1? It is 0. So, we completed all the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Let us repeat it once again. Sin 0, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0. Tan 0, 0. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 90, not defined. Cosec 0, not defined. Cosec 30, 2. Cosec 45, root 2. Cosec 60, 2 by root 3. Cosec 90, 1. Sec 0, 1. Sec 30, 2 by root 3. Sec 45, root 2. Sec 60, 2. Sec 90, not defined. Cot 0, not defined. Cot 30, root 3. Cot 45, 1. Cot 60, 1 by root 3. Cot 90, 0. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.